Okay.
Oh crap! You don't know how to drive Flying Mint Bunny. Okay, go. Go! Go!
Oh my god.
Turn this way. No, that way. No, that way. I don't know. Wait. Let's go. Oh. Let's go into the kitchen. Oh, wait, no, there's a thing there. See, wait, look. Go with it. Okay.
There's nothing there.
Why are you making random noises? I'm not even stopping. See, no, those weird noises Flying Mint Bunny's making. Let's go outside with him.
Flying Mint Bunny Mobile.
He's doing a donut.
The Mint
He's
Mobile.
doing the donut.
The Mint Mobile.
Even though it's like strawberry or whatever. Hold on. Let's bring him outside. Let's see how he is like as a roller or something.
Okay. Is it roller roller?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Ready? Go!
Oh wow. He's like a great road roller.
No, he's not.
He looks like a great road roller.
He's an idiot doing it. Hold on.
No, he's drunk Len.
Drunk Glenn. Oh, hold on. Let's bring him back in. Close the door behind you.
Okay.
Oh. He should play like he should ride across the piano. Like, yeah! Go!
Dude, make him run into the door and be like, move out of the way.
Okay. No, he's running up to the front door.
Okay. Flying Mint Bunny, where are you going?
I don't know. Where is he? Wait, hold on. Stop overturning. It's not that great. Whee! Get away. Move. Oh, that'd be hilarious if we went through the doggy door. Hold on. Get away. Hold on. Get out of my way. I have messed up steering. Hold on. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. He's too short for anything. He can't drive around this house safely.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on, hold on. England was on drugs when he put this in.
What?
England was on drugs when he put him in the car.
True.
He's a terrible drunk. Poor little guy. Oh my gosh, no, wait. Well, over here. Let's go back into your room and do it.
Okay.
Put him down. You have to open the door for him.
Okay. Get him, Flying Mint Bunny.
Oh my gosh. Mint Bunny. Straight. Yeah.
Touch me. Wow, she really had fun touching me. I can't go fast. Get out of my way!
Out of his way.
Oh no! Russia! Hold on, I'm gonna try parking.
Parallel park.
Like a pro.
Parallel park.
Okay, no. Okay, turn